Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to learn water safe for drinking. This is our science lesson and we will see water safe for drinking. This can you see these all pictures? Yes, natural things and man-made things. Material obtained from nature are called natural resources. Material created by man by using the natural resources are called man-made resources. Here you can see some pictures. These all are natural resources. Land, air, water, plants, animals are natural resources. We get water from springs, streams, well, river, lakes and sea. These all are sources of water. Water is an extremely valuable resource. It should be used carefully. You can see in this picture it should not waste like this. Okay, living things are depend on the water. So water is called life. The proportion of drinking water on the earth surface is very limited. So we have to use it carefully. Here you can see what they are doing something. They are digging, correct? So, it is very essential to conserve water. They are digging to conserve water and it is very essential to conserve water. Now, we have to do one experiment. You have to take a glass half full of water, add spoonful of sugar to it and stir it with a spoon. Then we have to add common salt, honey, washing soda, then powdered alum, then next glass sand. In the next glass we have to add wheat flour, then next we have to add sawdust. In the next glass we have to add turmeric powder and in the last glass we have to add some oil. What do you see? We have to stir it, okay, and then we will see the result. Sugar, salt, honey, washing soda and alum disappear in the water. They dissolve completely in the water. But sand, sawdust, turmeric, powder, oil do not disappear even on stirring. They do not dissolve. What does this tell us? This tells us some substances dissolve in water while some substances do not. So, the substance that dissolve in water spreads throughout the water. When salt dissolves in water, the water in the container tastes salty. When sugar dissolves in the water tastes sweet. Correct? So, here we learn a new concept that the substance that dissolve in water spread throughout the water. Some substances dissolve in water while some substances do not dissolve in water.